Listen to part of a lecture in a business class.
Companies use different marketing strategies when they come across different products and customer groups. They will either use a product-based marketing strategy or a customer-based marketing strategy, depending on the nature of their products and services, and the nature of their potential and present customers. Choosing the appropriate strategy is important, as one is better suited for certain products than the other. When it comes to selling a wide range of products to a large number of customers, marketers will often use product-based marketing strategies. Companies using this strategy try to sell a large selection of merchandise to meet the needs of various types of customers. In fact, the primary goal of the companies is to make their product known to a large swath of the consumer market. Companies like Sears, an American chain of department stores, for instance, try to make specific products and product categories widely known, so that customers can easily locate them and purchase them. Additionally, it is important to remember that product-based marketing strategies focus on a product of a company, rather than any particular group of customers. Unlike customer-based marketing, which may involve high levels of customer service and loyalty programs, since it focuses on creating relationships between the product and the brand and the consumer. Product-based marketing mostly relies on the strength of the product, its features, price, or other factors that make the product stand out from other products in the market. Therefore, companies create loyalty among their customers by developing a reputation for providing quality products in the marketplace. However, product-based marketing does not mean companies should focus only on the product. When companies fix their attention only on the products and not on their customers, it can alienate the customers, and this is one of the disadvantages of using product-based marketing. This means that companies employing product-based marketing not only have to create a quality product, but they also have to match it up to a target market, or else, they could end up leaving sales on the table.
Question 9. Why does the professor mention customer-based marketing in the lecture? Question 10. In the lecture, the professor listed many characteristics of product-based marketing. Indicate which of the following features are mentioned in the lecture. Click in the correct box for each phrase.